Hello friends, in some previous videos we have seen the design procedure of some key and various keys. Now we are going to start the numerical on the basis of various keys. Okay, you can say keys numerical. Okay, so I am starting. The problem number 1 is design a rectangular key to be used for a shaft of diameter 50 mm. We need to design a rectangular key for a shaft of 50 mm diameter. Both are having same material. Okay, both key as well as shaft having same material. That is, for that take torque, that is shear stress, that is 42 MPa, which is equals to 42 Newton per mm square, and sigma c is equals to 70 MPa, means 70 Newton per mm square. So what is the first step to solve this numerical in design subject? The first step is to write given data, whatever will be the data which is given to us, that we need to write as it is first. Solution, that is given data is equals to diameter of shaft is given, that is diameter is equals to 50 mm. Torque is given, that is 42 MPa, means 42 Newton per mm square, and sigma c is equals to 70 MPa, that is 70 Newton per mm square. Tau means shear stress and sigma c means crushing stress. Now what is the first step? First step is to calculate the torque transmitted, as we have seen in previous some videos. So T is equals to pi by 16 into tau s into d cube. By this relation we can easily calculate the diameter of torque transmitted. So diameter is given to us, that is 50 mm. Okay, tau is given to us, that is 42 MPa. We have calculated the value of T, that is T is equals to 1030835.089 Newton mm. Okay, then see what next. The key given is rectangular. Okay, we have given with the numerical that they have clearly mentioned the key is rectangular in section, hence thickness of key T is equals to d by 6, which is equals to twice w upon 3, that we have seen in design procedure. Okay, T is equals to d by 6 for rectangle. This is the condition for rectangular key. T is equals to d by 6, which is equals to twice of w upon 3. So 50 upon 6. So d is 50, diameter is 50, which is 6, is equals to 8.33 mm. Now consider crushing failure of key. T is equals to L into T by 2 into sigma ck into d by 2. So I have put all this value. So by this relation we can easily find out the length of the key, which is equals to 141.42. So I have taken it roundedly as 142 mm. The length of key is equals to 142 mm now. Then consider shear failure of the key. We have by considering crushing failure, we have calculated the length of key. Now we have considering the shearing of the key. So T is equals to L into W into tau into d by 2. This is the formula for shearing of the key. So I have put all this value. We have calculated the value of L, that is 142, into W into 42 into 50 by 2. So by this relation we can easily calculate the value of W, because we have this value of T, that is torque transmitted. So I have put here. I don't have written the value of T here, but you can understand. So W is equals to 6.91 is equals to 7 mm. So all the dimensions of the rectangular key has been calculated. In this way we have calculated this problem for key. In next video we are solving some another numericals. Okay, thank you.